Now we're going over how to do the dumbbell lateral raise. Now this is a great exercise for specifically targeting the lateral side head of the shoulder. Now, 3 things to make sure that you are performing this exercise effectively. Step 1, make sure that you're extending your arms out to the sides, right? You do not want to have the dumbbells here. The shorter that the lever arm is, in other words, your entire arm, the easier the exercise becomes. So it's a lot easier to be here versus here, right? And this is a lot more effective. So again, make sure that you're extending your arms out to the sides when you're performing this movement. Number 2, do not swing the dumbbells, right? You want to minimize momentum. So you do not want to use your body to try to swing the dumbbells and get them up, right? You want to minimize momentum. A good tip to make sure that you're doing this effectively is to sit on a bench, right? If you sit on a bench, it minimizes the amount of momentum that you can use from your body to perform the movement. Last and not least, step number 3, you want to make sure that you're bringing the dumbbells out directly to the sides of you, right? You do not want to bring the dumbbells back behind you, as this involves your trap muscle and various other back muscles. You want to keep the contraction and the tension specifically on that lateral head of the shoulder. So you're going to do that by specifically coming out to the sides here and not bringing the dumbbells out behind you. That is how you effectively do a lateral dumbbell raise.